this guy. Gaps here. Okay, so that's already filled its gap. And LMT we saw.
Wow, that was instantly out.
We might have something here in LMT. Ah, darn. It just jumped on us, folks. I don't know that we would have had the bid ask there, but that thing is too far gone. Yeah, these things are 50 cents wide. We wouldn't have been able to play that anyhow, but that's a small consolation. All right, AMAT has already filled its gap. We saw that playing out. We got Rig, USO we're going to skip. Turkey we have set. That has about a 60-cent gap that we will be looking to capture about 20 cents of it. We have Netflix. That is trading about 335-ish. We are long. We're long that from, excuse me, 75 cents. It's trading $1.05, which is good, but not good enough to get us out. AP, that's good. That's down 2%. We are long that from. We're long that from 135. It's trading 160. I would probably be looking for something in the 2-ish area for us to get out. So nothing happening there. And then we do have Zillow, where we're long the 34.35 half call spread for regular Feb. We're long that for 40 cents. It's trading 33. So we're sucking a little win there.